guys, so this is the Lamborghini Aventador for children. The car actually looks really, really nice. It doesn't look like a typical Power Wheels type of car. It's really nice. Has little rims. It took about 35 minutes to put it together. The doors open. There's a latch on the side here. This is what it looks like with the doors up. And the doors click in. There we go. There we go. It comes with leather seats. And then this is the control. So if your child is from 2, because it's from 2 to 4-year-olds. My son is 3 years old. And he fits perfectly fine in here. And he just started like driving on his own. Which is the pedal down here. That's to go forward. And that's to go back. They have the middle for neutral. So the car won't move at all. It has a low speed and a high speed. But again, this is the control for the parents to drive the kids around in. It comes with instructions on the box, so it doesn't have no like paper instructions that it comes with. And once the car is on, you can move it reverse, back, and everything like that. But I'm gonna show that afterwards. So it also comes with like music here. And it has like story times that it tells here. It has a USB port. It has an SD card so they can listen to their own music, and an MP3 player to like connect a phone or something or anything to it. This is how you turn it on. Makes a little noise. The lights turn on. And these lights stay on with the car, but they do have extra lights, headlights for it, which is really cute. All you have to do is press this button right here. And now the headlights came on. This is what it looks like when it's on.
Music appreciation.
You can also change your songs on one of these, on this one. Which is cute.
Music appreciation. Story play.
Story time.
The fox wanted to cross the river.
And then it has a pause and play button here. Then this is the horn. And the seat belts that clip right in. Alright, so I'm gonna put it on low speed right now. Backed it up.
Mommy, and then Poppy.
Yes. Then I'm gonna put it on a high speed.
Poppy.
And now you don't have to do anything with the controller. My son's gonna get in. Now drive forward. Reverse. So please like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to check out my other videos. Thanks.